well done. You've made it to step 4, the final step. I know I've already said it, but you really should pat yourself on the back because you've made it a long way. You've made it through. Some of you might have started out, you didn't even know what a domain is. Now you've bought yourself a domain, you've set up hosting, you've connected hosting and your domain together, and then you've installed WordPress. That's quite an accomplishment. So really well done. Awesome. Because now we're going to get on to the best part, which is actually creating our website. And this part is going to be a lot more fun. So let's go to your website. So remember, you're going to type in your website. Now to get to the back end, remember what we do? We type in WP admin. So this is going to bring us to the back end of our website. Always remember that. So when you no longer watching this video, and in the future when you need to change things about your website, you just go to WP admin and hit enter. Now you're going to be brought to here. So this is where we log into our website. Now, I'm hoping that you remember your username here. So you're going to put that in, your username, and then your password. So if you have, I can't remember, it's a very long one. So what you're going to do is you're going to go back to your emails and you're going to find remember you got a thank you email. Thanks for creating your wrong one. So remember, you're going to go to this one here, and this is the one we got from HostGator when we set up our WordPress. And see, if you did forget your username, it's there for you. But here's the big long password. I'm going to show you guys how we can change that once we log in, because it's going to be too hard to remember. But let's just put that there and hit login. Okay, so here we are, back to WordPress again. So this is officially WordPress. I know you've already seen it before, but now we're going to really go through it because this is going to be when we're going to be creating our website. So you can click this off. I don't need help because you're going to get someone that's going to help you. You're watching this video.